blacksmith is a lot of hard work. You pump these all day, every day, and you're going to be pretty strong. But you're going to try and do most of the pumping with your calves because they are the attractive muscle. You're not going to stand here and pump like this because that's doing all the work on your biceps. You're going to be pumping with your legs. Now, I think my metal is hot enough. Now, like I said, it's going to start glowing orange. You take it over to your anvil, then you tap it. And hopefully your tongs don't get stuck in your shirt. And then last thing you do, you stick it in some water for about 10 seconds, and it'll be good to handle. Here's that nail you asked me to fix.
Oh, thank you. Yep. How you doing, guys? My name is John, and I am